1. Turn on power. 2. Release emergency push button. Wait for control to boot up. Touch screen to start control. 3. Make sure hydraulic valve is closed. Turn on chuck. Turn on hydraulic pump. Turn on spindle. Make sure spindle is running clockwise. Turn off spindle. Turn off hydraulic pump. Turn on coolant. Turn off coolant. Four. Surface grinding manual function mode. Turn the function switch to surface grinding manual control mode. A blue automatic up and down control button and orange automatic crossfeed control button will be activated. Push the rapid down. Slow down. Jog 50 million for jogging function. Push the rapid up. The slow up. Push rapid crossfeed out and adjust speed. Push slow crossfeed out and adjust speed. Push rapid crossfeed in. Push slow crossfeed in. Five. Auto surface grinding mode. Put the function switch to auto surface grinding mode. Adjusting crossfeed travel. Push rapid crossfeed in to desired location. Push rapid in confirmation button. Push crossfeed rapid out to second desired location. Push rapid out confirmation button. 6. Crossfeed travel setup. Move 2 travel table dogs to desired travel and locations. Turn on hydraulic pump. Turn on hydraulic valve to desired speed. Press the execute button. Adjust the crossfeed increment by adjusting crossfeed knob for variable increment. Set up the parts contact point to 0. Push F1 to set up downfeed control. Type in number 1, target point. Type minus 0.02. Type in number 3, finish grinding volume 0.005. Type in number 4, intermittent spark out, 0.003. Type in number 5, start point 0. Type in number 2, rise up point, 0.0005. Push left arrow to go back to operation page. Set up rough feed increment 1000.0001. Set up fine increment down feed 0.0002 inches. Set up intermittent spark out time 1. Set up finish grinding spark out time 1. Wheel raise up button after finish grinding. Turn on spindle. Turn on hydraulic pump. Set up longitudinal travel. Turn on control valve to control table speed. Push the execute button. Turn on execute button. Turn off execute button.